and welcome to your first day here on the job at Golden Freddy's. Yeah, as you can see, there's a huge map right in front of you that will display all the activity in the building. And if any of the animatronics pass through your office, just put on the body mask. It should work just fine. And the vents, you have to keep a close eye on the vents because some of the animatronics tends to go inside the vents and try to murder you from behind. And that's not a good thing, not at all. So yeah, you can seal the vents while using the body mask too, of course. There's no problems there. And yeah, I think that's everything. And if anything unusual happens, just punch it in the face, I guess. Well, yeah, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.